Welcome back sa season opener ng Let's Talk. Still with Honorable Third Ranchez. Third, ito muna. Welcome sa second set. Ito, tanungin ko muna. Since ang ating topic for the whole duration ng Let's Talk is all about young leaders, young public servants. On your part, sa pagkakaalam mo, how do you define young politics?
Politics is the art of governance. It will tell you how a society must be set up and how one should act within the society.
Ngayon, anong advantage ng as a young public servant or a young politician, ano ang advantage compare mo sa medyo may mga edad na mga politicians?
As a young politician or a public servant, you are perceived to have a new and innovative ideas. Maybe this is the advantage, but I don't consider it as an advantage because in politics, as I have said earlier, age doesn't matter.
Except for mga young public servants, madaling makasakay, madaling maka-absorb. Not like pag medyo may edad na, nagkakaroon na ng memory copy ka. So medyo matagal-tagal. But anyways, tama nga. As long as bati ka ng isang tao,
yes.
In politics, age is not a problem here.
Yes.
But since, yun na nga, ang innovation kasi ng young politicians ay iba. On your part, kagaya mo, kasi si Papa mo, matagal na yan, 20 years in service, right? So, sa palagay mo, ano yung medyo mas maaangat ka sa kanya? I-compare kita between you and your father. Ano yung mas nakakaangat ka?
Mas nakakaangat.
Aside sa mas gwapo ka,
well,
papayag kayo siya.
Siguro yung lamang ko lang, I entered politics earlier than him. And siguro I have him as my mentor.
Yan na nga.
Siguro kung pumasok siya, nangangapa ako, nandyan siya para sa akin na tumutulong.
Ngayon, let's talk about work. Sagawin natin. So, ano yung mga bagong ordinansa na mga na-approve na at saka na-implement? Tapos, yung mga ordinansa na ginagawa.
Last week or 2 weeks ago, we have approved a ordinance banning the maritime mining. Kasi nga
saan to? Dito sa Vigan?
Sa Vigan. Kasi
okay.
nga
saan parte?
parang sa Vigan na sa whole, sa coastal areas. Kasi nga parang naubos na yung lupa. Kaya pagka in case of calamities or typhoon, mas mabilis na lumaki yung water. Kaya we have approved this ordinance na iban na lang yung pagmimina ng sa water ng mga sand.
Is this the black sand mining?
Sand,
mga gano'n. Ngayon, third, anong committee naman ang hawak mo?
I don't have a chairmanship as of now, but I am a member of the Committee on Tourism, Environment and Sustainable Development, Committee on Rules, and Committee on Sisterhood.
Sino mga kasama mo doon sa committee na yan?
Mga councilors din.
Councilors din. Talking about tourism, on your part, do you think dito sa Vigan, gumaganda na ba ang tourism industry natin dito?
Yes.
In what way? Dahil marami nang pumapasyal, ganun ba yan?
Yes. Hindi lang yun. Vigan ngayon parang naging isang major tourist destination na sa north. Ngayon, yung nagbe-benefit doon, hindi lang yung big businessmen or big establishments, kundi pati yung mga maliliit na nagnegosyante. Kasi pag dumarating yung mga turista, siyempre lumalakas yung kita ng mga kababayan natin.
Safe ba na ba ngayon dito magstay or di kayo magstay ng matagal sa Vigan? If I am a tourist, if I stay here for 3 days, 2 nights, okay lang ba?
Yes, safe na safe.
Safe na safe. Okay, ngayon naman, It's like what I said, si father mo, ang iyong butihing ama ay in his 20 years as a vice mayor at konsihal din siya, ay marami siyang na-propose, mga na-implements na mga ordinansa para sa ikakaunlad ng vegan. At para rin sa kabutihan ng mga Bigenyos. Ikaw, si third, ano pa ba ang pwede niyang gawin para mas lalo pang umunlad ang syudad ng vegan?
I envision an ordinance creating the Local Economic Development Council. Itong LED na to, or Local Economic Development Council, it will gather different sectors of the society to talk what we can do about the economy of vegan.
How do you envision vegan city in about 5 years from now? Siyempre, sabi mo, maunlad na, maganda naman na yung turnout ng ating tourism industry. Sa palagay mo, mas uunlad pa ba? May posible bang may lalaking maraming businesses ang papasok dito?
Yes, with what I have envisioned, the Local Economic Development Council, this will not boost only the economic standing of vegan, but it will also help the poorest of the poor. Kasi dito, pag-uusapan namin kung paano ma-empower o paano lumaki yung mga small businesses, yung mahihirap, kung paano ma-elevate o matanggal yung kahirapan.
Sana magawa nyo rin ng ordinansa, di kaya matulungan nyo rin ito, lalo-lalo na yung mga vegan products natin from longganisa to abel na maiayos pa, may pagandahin pa lalo-lalo from packaging down to quality, of course. Sana magawa nyo pa yan ang paraan. Ngayon naman, talking about quality, ito, Vegan City has a TV production now, di ba? And we do believe that, I don't know, it was approved by the Sangguniang. Am I correct? Tama ba ito? Dumaan ba ito sa inyo? At sa palagay mo, saan nagagaling ang budget dito?
There are items under the development plan of vegan pertaining to public information. But the development plan did not specifically place there what form of media.
So pag public information, kailangan pa ba magkaroon ng TV production ang isang syudad or the city para gamitin sa kanilang public information on your part?
On the issue of the TV production, it was left to the discretion of the mayor.
Ay, hindi dumaan doon sa Sangguniang.
The budget for the development plan dumaan sa amin. Under that, there is this for the public information.
Okay. Pwede ko ba malaman how much is the budget for the yung public information thing?
I don't know the
exact amount. Okay. So, like with that. And then, ano yan? Is it released annually? Or
yes, the development
semestral?
Is released annually.
Annually, yung budget. Okay. So, do you believe that having a TV production ng isang syudad could help the city itself?
Well, yes. Kailangan kasi ng public information as to any form. Pwede siguro yung TV production sa radio or newsprint.
Newsprint, okay. Ngayon, gusto ko malaman, tatakbo ka ba ulit sa susunod na election sa 2013, which is, well, less than, almost a year na lang.
Yes, definitely. I will run for the 2013 elections, but as to what position, I still don't know.
Okay. Under?
Under the Liberal Party.
Liberal Party pa rin. So, bakit? Sa isip mo ba, ano pa ang pwedeng gawin ni third? Aside sa pagiging councilor, kaya pa ba niyang tumaas ang posisyon?
Well, it depende kasi yun sa partido kung anong pag-uusapan namin, kung anong position ang tatakbuhan natin.
Ngayon, ready ka na ba? Sabi mo kanina, ready ka na. Ngayon, sa pagiging konsihal, ano pa ba ang pwedeng magawa? Ano pa ang pwedeng gawin ni Third Ranches para matulungan at mas lalo pang umunlad ang komunidad mo, especially ang city ng vegan?
I want to finish the tourism code that was started by my father. Kasi vegan is now being it's now a top tourist destination here in the Ilocanja. I want to my vision is to reap the benefits of the economic. I want to reap the economic benefits of the tourism.
So paano itong mga festivals natin sa Bican? Marami to eh. So, paano to makakatulong sa syudad? At paano pa, kung sa palagay mo on your part, paano mo pa mapapa-improve ito?
These festivals attract tourists that will come to Bican. Kaya nakakatulong sa economy natin dahil sa pagdating ng mga turista.
And of course, syempre nga, bibili na souvenirs lang. Simple souvenirs is a good, kung isa bibili.
It's good for the business establishments.
As well. Okay, sige, dyan ka muna. Final set together with Honorable 3rd Ranchez sa pagbabalik po yan ng Let's Talk.